Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. This is Janoy with Trading the Charts Pro. And guys, I just wanted to pop in here and do this quick video with you guys, or for you guys that basically follow me. And you guys know that I trade the ES futures, and I just want to say, man, like, where are we going? This is a very interesting time, guys, because let's look at this chart and let's talk about it, because I don't know what to say. But this is why it's very, very important to not listen to the news. This is why it is very important to learn technical analysis so that you can come into the market daily and make the decisions that you need to make for your account. Because if you choose to depend on someone else, what will happen is either you get misinformed as to what you need to be doing, or you end up just getting no information that is of any value to you and how you can actually benefit from the financial markets. All right, what is my point? My point is, now look at the market. The market is literally around 24 points. If I'm checking this correctly, we're around 24 points from the all-time high that we sold off at over here on this side. All right, but when we were down here coming up, if you were listening to the news, you would actually realize that they're like, oh, we're not gonna get a V-shaped recovery and this and that. But guys, look at where it is today. All right, look at where the market is today. The market has literally recovered. We're 24 points away from the all-time high. What does that mean? It means that we have to be able to use our think for based on technical analysis and find the opportunity or the opportunities in the chart and the price action for ourselves. Because I remember so many times while we were coming up, the news is like the market go lower. Oh, this is just gonna break back down, and they tell you all of this. They want to do is feed fear into you. All right, so it's very important that you learn how to read charts for yourself so that you can come inside the market and make the right decisions. Also, I'm gonna say, personally, for me, it's a wait and see game right now, because if I am a bull, where am I anticipating this market to go? Am I going to be chasing 24 points? Or am I going to be a bear and put in a short right here so that I can make money, thinking that it is going to drop back and come right down here? I am neither of those persons. I'm neither a bull nor a bear right now. And there are times in the market that you have to make the decision to become not a sheep, but just a trader that observe price action and see where everything is going, so you can get a clearer direction of everything, so you can make the best decision possible. And at this time, I'm not interested in chasing 24 points, because I don't know if the market is going to break out at this level, or we're going to get a rollover like they did over on this side. At this point in time, today was very strong, and we see we open here, which is typically what we do, open and then we pause and then we get a push higher. So at this time, I'm not shorting the market, nor am I long the market. I am waiting to get some more information to see where this market is going to go. It's very possible that this market can break out and run higher, if we get more information about a vaccine and all of this good stuff. It seems like coronavirus, well, clearly it doesn't have any impact on what the market is doing. The market is forward looking, and this is what's crazy. We can hear that tomorrow the vaccine is here and the market actually sells off, because why the market was actually running up in anticipation of the good news coming out. And then now that the good news is actually here, our traders start to take profit because they're like, oh, we knew this was going to happen and now it's here. What are we really anticipating at this point? All right. So personally for me, I have to wait and see what this market does. Specifically, it can do what the Nasdaq has done, but the situation with the Nasdaq is totally different. We have biotech over there. We have tech companies that are generating a lot more cash from the pandemic because how their business is structured and all of that good stuff. So fundamentally, the Nasdaq has a reason to be running higher. Does that make sense? But I don't know. We have to watch and see what happens right here by getting 2 or 3 more days in this market to make a full decision. So guys, if you do like this information, hit that thumbs up and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. All right.